Hello traders, I hope you guys had a wonderful day today. Today is 20th of May 2021 and Thursday. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and bank beautiful pips today. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe my channel. And if you would like to know how I trade through this platform, this is all intraday analysis alongside the 4-hour analysis. Watch that video, link is given in the video description. Let's move straight to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Right, so Euro USD, if you look at yesterday, if you look at the 4-hour, yesterday we had a beautiful short trade and bank beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the link is given in the video description, by the way. All right, so today, as you can see here, price nicely respected previously. So we were expecting a pullback, especially when we had this. If you look at this candle, this is inside candle pattern, bullish inside candle pattern. As soon as the price broken this level, which is 21,811 level, so we were long hold there in Euro USD. All right, so let's see tomorrow. As you can see here, price respected previously this level, and if we see price respected failed to break the previous high, which is 22,424 level, and if the price develop a head and shoulder pattern tomorrow, I'm going to see short. Otherwise, if the price is going to stay above and break the previous high, then we're going taking a long. As I said to you guys, we are intraday, so let's see today about from here to here all the intraday analysis. If you look at Euro USD on, if you look at this analysis based on the 4-hour price action, we were expecting a long, so that's why we did this analysis. And if you look at this is the analysis I did in London morning. We had let me share with you guys. If you look at let me update. Yeah, so if you look at just before, at the London Open, I was expecting this breakout long trade. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit this level, which is the first flip channel, and that's what I explained to trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss, because we were expecting price might going to pull back here, and that's why we stayed to a trader, just tighten your stop loss. So, and afterwards, and then we had another analysis at the New York session. As you can see here, this is another because we're expecting to traders that price respected this level, respected. And if you look at here, another triangle pattern is developed, so we're expecting a breakout, and the target would be this fib channel, which you can see here, price nicely broken. And we can see, because if you look at the previous price action, as you can see, bullish inside candle pattern, price broken this major resistance level, which was previously support, and that's give us the confirmation. And look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, so we had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD, and some of the traders are still holding it. But as I explained to trader, this is the final target, previous high, which is that's the level, but the first target would be as soon as the price gonna hit this resistance level. So at that time, I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So you can see here, based on the 4-hour, we have refined our entries in intraday system and beautiful pips on Euro USD today. All right, so tomorrow, as I said to you guys, if the price gonna develop head and shoulder, good sign for reversal. Otherwise, if the price gonna stay above this trend resistance and break, and this one, then probably long. We'll let you know tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We always find refine our entries and exit in intraday in order to take position. All right, let's move into the pound dollar, guys. So if you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, as you can see, yesterday in my analysis, we had this breakout. We had amazing short trades from yesterday, bank beautiful pips. As you can see here, that's the support level. We had two major support level, and price nicely respected the support level. And look at here, price developed very nice consolidation. But if you look at very carefully the candle pattern, you can see here this bullish candle is inside candle pattern in decision mode, and afterwards we have this bullish engulfing candle, bullish inside candle pattern again. That's give us another confirmation at the support level. breakout, bang it, beautiful long trade we had it today. All right, so it's look like if the price gonna continue, might gonna hit this level. That's our final target, but we already banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys today's analysis based on this 4-hour price action. All right, so if you look at the intraday analysis, if you look at, this is the analysis I did last night as soon as I finished my recording, and that's what I explained to trader. It is possible the price might going to reverse because we were watching in 4-hour. As you can see, in 4-hour we have this consolidations. We were looking this breakout consolidation, and that's what I explained to trader. Price might going to respect this support, look for breakout. If the price gonna break, continue short. You can see here this breakout trade, and as soon as we have like 10, 15, 20 pips, we explain to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. And then we had it another beautiful at the London morning session just before. Let me make it slightly bigger. So you can see here in the London morning session just before London open, we explained to trader price already broken, so look for another pullback. That's gonna give us, you can see we had another beautiful pullback. So another few pips as soon as the price cross above the previous high. That's what we explained to trader. It's time to another consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. So we had a few pips at the London morning session. We had amazing trades at the New York session. As you can see here, price developed this consolidation. So we explained to trader look for this breakout. As you can see here, huge consolidations just before opening bell. We did this analysis. As you can see here, based on the momentum, we explained trader, and based on the 4-hour price action, that's what we explained. More likely, more chances price might going to break this resistance in intraday. We should be keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. So you can see based on the 4-hour, we have this analysis at the New York session just before opening bell, breakout. After the breakout, as explained to trader, keep taking a pullback, and the first target would be this level, which previously yesterday price broken. As you can see, price nicely hit that target, and that's what I explained to trader. This is our first target. So you can see we had a breakout and pullback, long trade. Again, that intraday trade are 100% based on the 4-hour price action. So beautiful long trade, guys, on pound dollar. As I said to you guys, we watch in 4-hour, define the market bias and define the market price action, and refine entries in intraday. We had a beautiful trade. So let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful trade. We had a long and short. If you look at the 4-hour, guys, as you can see that we were long from day before yesterday, and my traders were expecting it's going to hit this level, but most of the traders, they have closed their trade as soon as the price developed double top, and we have closed long, and we had a long trade this morning, and this pullback you can see here, and bank few pips. Afterwards we have the short trade as soon as the price broken, and this support level we were short and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you based on this 4-hour price action our intraday analysis. If you look at here, we analyze in a high time frame. I'm going to show you all that. Let me make it. So we have only 2 trades. If you look at the intraday, we had this analysis. This is analysis just before London open. We were looking this breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. If the price gonna break, we were watching in 4-hour. That's the level, basically. That's the level we have defined, that if the price is going to break, then we short trade. If the price gonna break this wedge, then long trade here. As you can see here, as soon as the price reverse and break this level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to take a long trade. So we had this long trade as soon as the price hit to the previous high, which is you can see here, and that's what we explained to trader. Either you can consider banking some pips and wait for the pullback, or you can move your stop loss. As you can see here, this information is provided through live audio commentary, also through analysis. So beautiful pips. And afterwards, as I said to you guys, we were expecting a high impact news today, 4 p.m. London time. That's the speech for the CAD. So that's what I explained to trader. Just wait, let's see how the market is going to react. But at the just before in the opening bell. As you can see here, price basically break this consolidation, and in 4 hour in intraday, that's what we explained to trader. That's the level. Look for this breakout and keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, price nicely broken based on the 4 hour. That was a beautiful short trade, very tight stop loss, and afterwards, and this is the level which we explained to trader that our first target would be 2529, which is, you can see, the previous low in 4 hour. As you can see in intraday, that's the fib level, that's the first target, that's the second target, final target. So we had a beautiful pips short trade. We had a long trade in the morning and afternoon at the New York session. Beautiful short trade. So you can see all these three major pairs, we had amazing trades, beautiful pips. Most of my traders banked beautiful pips. All right, so if you look at the dollar CAD, tomorrow we'll see if the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking a pullback short trade here. If the price gonna respect a long trade here, and if the price develop head and shoulder pattern, will define tomorrow. We'll see how the market is going to react. If the price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, then I'm expecting big nice move. So we'll let you know. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We trade what we see it, not what we think, but that's what I can, at the moment I can see possibilities, but we'll let you know tomorrow. And that's why we trade in intraday, because we define our trades here, and that's what exactly we do it. So I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis today, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4 hour analysis, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, guys, I provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. As I said to you, my main key objective is to train trader with a live market through live intraday analysis, and so they can develop their trading skill in real time. And once they develop their trading skills, we can also open door for funding account through prop firms. If you are interested how I train and coach and allocate trading funds to my traders, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading. So most welcome guys to join my fast growing trader community. Once again guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and until next time, wish you all the best.